Hello, my beautiful Mosaic family. Welcome back to another episode of the Mosaic Podcast. This is the place we put the pieces of life and business together, one intentional and beautiful piece at a time to make extraordinary pieces. Now, today, the numbers spoke. This is the episode 31, okay? And if you know me, if you really know me, you know how much I love numbers. I was good in math, but I also love, playing with the numbers. And lately, I've been looking at the meaning behind numbers, right? The kind of magic that is in them. Because there may be a message in numbers. So I did a little bit of research, okay? I am always drawn to number 1s, 3s, and 7s. So number 13 is my lucky number. I know it's supposed to be the unlucky number, but it's the opposite for me. 73s and 173s and especially today's number, 31, episode 31, right? So what do they really mean? So I looked it up, and 1s are all about beginnings. It's about individualization, creation, start of something powerful, meaningful. And 3s, on the other hand, is about creativity. It's about expression. It's about alignment with someone's higher self. And 7s is about deep spiritual awakening. It's inner wisdom coming through and reflection. And 31 is a number that reminds you that the foundation you're laying will lead to success. Not just any success, but one filled with purpose and alignment. So, my friends, it's no coincidence that today, on this exact episode, I get to share something deeply meaningful that I have been quietly building behind the scenes. Today, I have a special announcement because I am introducing you to TalkWithMai. It is your new digital memory companion. It's infused with AI. It's wrapped in love and created with the deepest intention by me. This is a project that I have literally poured my soul into. It is so simple yet beautiful tool that turns your memories and your voice and your stories into letters for your loved ones so they can treasure them forever. So it is so special, but yet it's also so simple. I built this tool to just operate starting with one button. So you press one button to create a memory, and then you can start writing or you can start speaking to it. And that's it. You don't need a plan. You don't need an outline. You don't need the perfect words to say. Just speak from the heart. And your speech becomes text. And then you can tag your memory by categories, right? Then here's the magic, right? You can enhance your memories. You can select a tone to make it joyful, reflective, humorous, sentimental, right? And with a click of a button, your memory is transformed into this beautiful letter with the use of AI. And get this, you can, with the click of a button, you can even listen to it. It's spoken back to you in audio form. Now, you want to create a birthday keepsake for your child. Like what you can do is say you have few, like 10, 20 memories saved with your child's name. You can tag it with your child's name, and the app will combine them into one beautiful, that's a stunning letter that you can send it, you can share it with your child as a keepsake. It's such a beautiful tool that I'm very proud of, right? The functionality is amazing, simple, yet amazing. And it's also secure. Nobody can read your memories but you. Unless you choose to share them, of course, right? They are yours, and they are yours alone. And it's a pretty powerful tool. I mean, I will keep adding new features. It's going to come up constantly. And the vision for this tool is actually pretty big. And this is just the beginning. And I'm very proud of this. And this is what happens, my friends, when purpose meets passion, and technology helps with that, right? There's a free version of this tool because I can't offer this tool free for everyone because there is a cost associated with running this service. But there's a very minimal subscription model that's made it very affordable because I want you to just have this tool. I want this to just like live in your pocket. It's live in your heart and become your legacy. And you can find it at TalkWithMai.com. Okay? So before we wrap, yes, I am using TalkWithMai to even organize episodes now. And yes, I am in awe of what is possible when you really listen to the whispers of your soul. And maybe your numbers too, right? From 1s to 3s to 31. And we're just getting started, my friends. I love you. I can't wait for you to have this tool. And I look forward to hearing what you create. And I want you to go speak your truth without worrying about what it may sound like. One button at a time, and you can create a beautiful legacy letters. And let me know what you think about this. I want you to get something out of this episode and not just have this become a special announcement for the tool that I created for you. Because I want you to get this magic that whatever is within you is magic, and that your words matter, your memories matter, whatever you want to create for yourself matters, right? I want you to have this feeling of creation and affirmations of that whatever you want to create and put out in the world is beautiful and it is going to be worthwhile. I want you to have this magic and go out there and put yourself out there and create. And so take a deep breath with me. Place your hand over your heart. And we can just say it together, right? And let this affirmation and wash over you until it becomes your truth. I honor my voice. I am the author of my stories. My creations are powerful. Whatever is inside me to create is worthwhile. And what I release into the world is sacred. I am aligned with my highest self. I am guided by purpose, not pressure. I create from love. I lead with vision. I live with clarity. The time is now. The place is here. I am ready. Please, my friends, repeat this as often as you need. Save this episode. I want you to replay it. I want you to hear the magic in my excitement. I want you to have this feeling. Create whatever you need to create and put that out in the world. Please. There's no need to hide it. Until next time, let's create something extraordinary, one mosaic piece at a time. Take care. I'm out.